question will be, you're stupid if you're not here. So, with that I would say, this state is one of the most progressive states in the country. It's the fastest growing.
Because Gujarat in 2007 is amongst the most exciting growth stories unfolding anywhere in India, perhaps even in the world.
Gujarat is indeed one of the fastest growing states in the country, with a large contribution to the India's GDP. But this growth has had its own costs. One such example is the Nandeswari Industrial Estate near Vadodara. Located on the banks of Mini River, Nandeswari Estate was established in 1969 and is made up of approximately 300 industrial units, including that which produce a wide range of chemicals like pharmaceuticals, dyes, pesticides and plastics. The waste from the industries has led to the contamination of water tanks, wells and groundwater. To address these environmental concerns, the government of Gujarat set up a Common Effluent Treatment Plant in the state. The companies in the state were required to send their effluents to CEPT, and from CETP the effluents are carried along a communal channel which runs for 55 kilometers before discharging into the Gulf of Cambodge. The CETP plant collects effluents from the industries through trucks, grades them according to the COD and puts them through a treatment process. Samples of water from the effluent channel showed high contamination with chlorinated benzenes and heavy metals. The channel runs parallel to the fields and the farms in the state, which leads to adverse impact on the land. The pollution has harmful effects on the vegetation, human habitation and the wildlife in and around the area. The effluent channel also crosses the irrigation canal in the area, and some of the effluents are leaked into the canal, which affects the crop using that water. At some places the water is being tapped off from the channel and used for irrigation purposes. This is a very dangerous practice. The picture shows the state of the canal at the time we visited the area. It's frequently choked and left open and hence a breeding ground for a large number of diseases.
हर साल इस तरह से चोकअप होता है, ओवरफ्लो होता है, ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. लीकेज वगैरह भी होता है. यहाँ स्टडी किए गए हैं जिसमें ये पता चला है कि इसके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों के बालों तक में हेवी मेटल्स पाए गए.
The effluent channel eventually runs into the Gulf of Cambodge and the junction point can be seen there. According to Greenpeace investigation survey, far from solving the problem, the use of CETPs simply creates another hazardous waste stream. As seen from this picture taken from Google Earth, the problem is primarily due to illegal dumping by industries into the channel. These pictures show the contamination of the Mahi River by the effluents being dumped illegally into the river.
विकास पथ लिखे इस बोर्ड के नीचे मिनी नदी का मीठा पानी नहीं बल्कि जमीन के पाताल तक पहुंच चुका विनाशक केमिकल युक्त लाल पानी है. इस पानी का असर नंदेसरी आसपास के विस्तार तक सीमित न रहकर सिंधरोट के किसानों के खेतों तक पहुंच गया है.
In this pic, you can clearly see the effect on the leaves of trees due to polluted air and water. Another problem faced is the disposal of solid waste of industries. Some land has been earmarked for dumping of these toxic wastes. But the question arises, how safe is this?
help Mahesh? I don't know. I hope it does, but I have to be realistic. His lungs are full of sand from the stones he's been grinding for 6 years. Fine particles of crystalline silica piling up in his weakening lungs like the sands of time in a deadly hourglass. 4 months ago, his body gave up. Now, even if he never inhales silica dust again, he's already taken in enough to kill him.
There is something about the skies here, and about the unlimited sunshine. There is something about the water here, and about the green landscapes. There is something about the soil here,